Howdy, this is my 2014 Yamaha Bolt. Getting ready to replace the muffler with a Delkevic 21-inch bullnose muffler. I want to give the Bolt a little bit more sound, just so that other drivers will hear me coming. So this is what comes with the 21-inch muffler. That pretty big baffle that goes inside the muffler. I didn't realize the baffle, the silencer or dB killer, was that large, but that just slips right in. Guess it'll be mounted by these holes here. Sorry, trying to do this with my cell phone with these bolts. Then this will go on to this. This will be the slip-on tube, which will eventually mount this onto there. Heat shield, this heat shield. And then this plate will be used to mount the muffler with those bolts right there. And pretty much, I assume this mount will go right here. Yep, to hold the muffler. It comes with these screws and the spacers, I think, for this mounting thing here, and screws out to put the stock plate heat shield on there. It comes with that red box, has the sealant, which I will not use. I'll just go ahead and install it without it. Now, as far as taking off the old muffler, stock muffler, it's pretty easy. First off, you want to disconnect the oxygen code reader, oxygen sensor that is. It's pretty easy right here. There's a connection here. You just flip this whatever tab up, and then this thing comes out pretty easy. And the wire itself of that is wrapped with this tie strip or whatever, and you just flip that tab up and this slips right off. So as far as taking off the muffler itself, you just loosen up this bolt here, which connects to this slip-on pipe, the stock pipe there. And then what I did is I took these bolts off at the bottom here. These are the bolts that were connected to this plate here. Now I need to take this plate off here by taking off these three bolts, 1, 2, and then this one up there. And that's pretty much it. You just slide off the old muffler and it comes right off. And then you take off the oxygen sensor. It's on that side. I just use these this wrench here to take off the oxygen sensor. It wasn't on that tight. So this will be an easy job, actually. So alright, let me get to the point where I need to put this all together, and we'll take it from there. Now those spaces I showed you earlier will fit on this mounting bracket, on right behind this mounting bracket here, so that it'll set to not go against those bolts. So that's what those spacers are for. Alright. Okay, I got this slip-on pipe here. I ended up putting some water on the existing stock pipe and on the inside of the slip-on pipe to help it get on a little easier. Put the oxygen sensor on beforehand. I actually had to hammer the with a rubber mallet the pipe in to get it kind of snug up against the stock pipe here, using this rubber mallet and this board. Put the board against the pipe so I wouldn't damage the pipe. After I did that, I slipped on the muffler and mounted the muffler with those two bolts. Those two bolts here. And that was pretty easy. So I'm not tightening up these bolts here until everything is set. So after that, we're going to put in the baffle. Now actually, the DB killer is right in there. That inner pipe or inner tube. So if you want to take out the DB killer, you just take off that bolt right there. I guess this is just all part of the inner muffler that has to get mounted, be mounted by this screw here onto the outside of the outside muffler with a bolt. But if you want to take the DB killer, it's right there in the center. Alright. Okay, when installing this baffle, just keep moving it around until you can get it to fit snug. It's made to fit in a certain way, and once you get it right, it'll just slide right in, right up against. This will be all just lined up perfectly. And then the screw that goes back there will be lined up perfectly too, and you just put the screw in that hole that's there. Alright. Next thing, just got to put the mounting plate on there, connect the oxygen sensor, and we're ready. And tighten up all the bolts. Ready to go. This is the Delkevic bullnose muffler, 21 inch. Thing's pretty loud actually, louder than I thought it would be. So it even has the DB killer in there. It's pretty loud. It's even got some popping sounds. I don't know if I need to get a fuel commander. Let's go ahead and hear the sound.